We've got some brand new colors for you that we've just launched. We've got some beautiful new nude colors for you. So today I'm going to swatch those out for you. And we're also, here's the really exciting, well, they're both exciting, but we're also re-releasing a couple of colors that we had discontinued. So let's get started with, the first one is called Toothless. So Toothless is just a really pretty, kind of a warm pink, almost a peach kind of a color. Our second one is Pet Sidecar, and I'm pretty sure Tracy came up with this one because she probably brings her little puppies when she's riding on her motorcycle. So this is going to be a little bit more of a tan, taupey kind of a color, just a little on the kind of the darker side. Alright, so that was Pet Sidecar. And then Dust Bunny is our third one. And this one is going to be just a little bit more of kind of a lighter taupe. So just a really pretty light taupe, very kind of a creamy color. And then our fourth one, I'm pretty sure this one, for those of you that watch our Twitch channel, pretty sure this was from Habib. This is Congratulations Song. So those of you that have been on Twitch, you see when people win our raffles, they get the congratulations song. I'm guessing that's where this one came from. But again, just a light, soft, kind of a creamy light pink. Again, just really pretty. All right, so let's go ahead and cure those out. Then I'll do a second coat to give you the full coverage. Okay, so let's just go through and we'll do a second coat so you can see what the really good full coverage is going to look like on all of these colors. Again, because of the texture, the consistency of these colors, a lot of times I feel like when I'm doing nude colors, I tend to get a little bit streaky, but with these colors, they actually go on really nice and smooth. So 2 coats of your color is going to give you a really good coverage. It's going to give you a really good smooth application. It's not going to be streaky like some other colors can tend to be. Okay, I'll get those 4 colors into the light. So the 2 colors that we're relaunching are Slate and Wine Wrangler. Now I know from comments and messages that a lot of people have been loving the Wine Wrangler and they wanted us to bring it back. So you guys, here it is. So Wine Wrangler is just a great color for the fall. I really love this one for those fall, kind of wintry kind of nails. It's almost a cranberry, mauve-y, I'm not even sure how to describe it, but just a really great kind of a fall color. And then Slate. Slate has got a little bit of that metallic look to it, a little bit on kind of the blue, green, gray kind of a side, but again, that metallic shimmer to it. And again, both of these colors are going to be great for fall, winter, Christmas kind of nails, holiday nails. So again, we'll get that back into the light. Okay, so you can see both of these colors actually cover really well with one coat, but just to get that really good, perfect full coverage, I always try to do 2 coats just to make sure. When you finish these colors, you can finish them with a shiny top coat and you can also finish them with a matte finish. I know a lot of times people tend to look at the metallic colors and think that it needs to be a shiny finish, but a matte finish on them is really pretty as well. Okay, so I'm going to take all of our colors, I'm going to top coat them off camera and I'll show you the final look. Hopefully you guys all got the new colors this Black Friday and enjoy them. You're going to love them. They're going to be great for the holidays and they're going to be great for year round. So enjoy!
Subscribe